sa tu ke na bono po mataliu po sa no montura na tu moduata na itu ke molata
na sa wali
o turang sa tu na matanitu ai tu ko turang anong da presidente ni bono bina ko biti na veteran ya utabe sa main tabe ana matakan singa dendai na kada ndo ida ku chapa turang mai dong bale tra ko kira ko busuti
naka
to sakana wasol solele saka
lebu
mai bangara sa chu matam ni na turang na matakan singa dendai e basa sani kiri kila saka chukira ndo nang man malumu tapi saka chumenom ni matan katu mo matakan singa dendai
naka
nangai mol sa chunga mai Brown Street na bagani kila sa chuko na puno ki mami chuksa chukira na bitang para kede
naka
ni walengai tu ni mami tu bagani bula dam sa chukira ni mami mundu na turang director na National Council Persons with Disabilities sa chuksa kira na nito timi ni di defrag bi no matakan singa tay
naka
ki mami sindore da na bekay walengai na tiki ni mami bula mendo itatau ni mami garab ni mami tayo
naka
mami reki mami ngani ndo na tamata tamu sakani
dono
beka kata nga garab ndo tamata ki mami tala ndo rawat
naka
sinungay mate ni lokol umay no ni i batar katu pakaturang ngo
naka
lewo ndo di tamba na rong malimay na Special Olympic wakati kina na Paralympic kesar le daw so talaga may
naka
ano po kuno tabuno ila singan tayo sa kaya tamata may tataw lang sa katsuan na ingay
naka
kung gito le abito na nito timirak nonra na walang kayo na nonra Ratu bagi ni Rome pero lang gito sa katsuan ay Argentina na yung walang sa nung mo sa katsuan na mataw sa top sa kamay matanga garap sa katsuan na International Deaf Rugby Sevens sa katsuan mo na kaya na tamata na singentay kim samay bangkara sa juga ni mami tatau yan ang kuning gay bakang gito nuita kini na remol ta sa
naka
sa balbalom sa juga kaya na bosa
naka
karbo ka turang sa teni na bonua so matali bosa kan ngon turang na tu maduatan ito kay bola tangani ina matay tu kaya mo riso sa rakyatu
with a good a clear mindset and a strong will, anything is possible. People may say they have different views of all of us. Some of us, maybe can be deaf or we may be mute, but we breathe the same air, we live in the same world, so what is not possible? If a person with determination can go to Mount Everest, you can bring the 7th Cup to Fiji. And if you bring it here to me, we're going to have one big party here. Everybody is going to look for you, watch out for you. We're going to be praying for you. And this office and everybody in Fiji, we are going to be there behind you, cheering and supporting you in your first ever trip. And you will also clear the way for other rugby players. And I believe that one of you can be playing in Dandua. That's possible. You can believe that. If you want to do, can do that, you can prove everybody in the world wrong. That who said a person with determination cannot play in the rugby Dandua. And that's a fact. So today, I thank you for coming to present your iTatau. I accept your iTatau with my best wishes and prayers that you will get to see the world on your trip. You're going to Argentina. Some of us haven't been there, so you'll be the first to go there. That's a home of, they say it's the home of soccer, it's also the home of rugby. If you know rugby, in scrumming, the Argentina team, they mastered scrumming in 1987. They changed the laws of rugby. Hugo Porta was the captain of that team. They changed the game of scrumming, the game of rugby, by doing the scrumming. They mastered rugby, and then the New Zealand All Blacks, and they learned from the scrumming skills of Argentina. No one has ever pushed the All Blacks team, out-scrummed the All Blacks team, okay. And it was that team, Argentina team. But sadly, the Fiji team won over Argentina in the first World Cup to go into the quarterfinals. But you people, you will go to be in the finals. So everybody is supporting you. Team Fiji is supporting you. And I know you're going to represent Fiji with pride and with all the hopes and prayers of Fiji. All the best and good luck.